In this video, we're going to see about 5 ChatGPT prompts that can help study better. The first prompt is called Quiz Me on the topic. In this prompt, you can enter the information in which you want ChatGPT to do a quiz for you, and it will evaluate your answers. Now let us try this. I've copied this and I've pasted this in ChatGPT. Now it is asking me for my study material. So I have opened data structures and algorithms from W3 schools. Now I am looking for some information to quiz me on the topic. Let us take bubble sort. I'll just copy this and I'll paste. Now ChatGPT has provided me 4 to 5 questions with multiple choice. Now I will answer this and it will evaluate me. Now it is giving me which is the correct and which is the wrong answers. And it has given me a score of 2 out of 5 and it has explained me. Now let's see the next prompt. Explain like I'm 5. This prompt will simplify the concepts like as if it is explaining to a 5-year-old. Now let us see this prompt in action. As you can see, ChatGPT has tried to explain the topic as if it is explaining to a 5-year-old by giving examples about toys, and it is giving examples in a very simple to understand fashion. Now let's see the next prompt. Real world applications. Whenever we are trying to study, we require some real world application so that we can relate and study better. So ChatGPT has provided me 5 real world applications in which I will use the space complexity concept, mobile applications, database systems, embedded systems, image and video processing, and cloud computing. Break it down prompt. In this prompt, ChatGPT will break down the complex concept into simple to understand topics. So as you can see, it has provided a breakdown into smaller topics so that you can learn it easily. The fifth prompt is called curate resources prompt. So whenever you are learning something new, you will spend a lot of time searching for resources. Even though ChatGPT has information that is trained up to 2020 or 2021 in the latest version, you can curate resources up to that date, and most of the study materials would be available in this prompt. So let's try this. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided me YouTube channels, online learning platforms, and it has also given a course suggestion, Coursera, plural site, and it has given some blogs, forums. So that's it for this video. All the prompts will be linked in the description, and if you want more videos like this, let me know. Thanks for watching.